Blackpool South. We haven't done a lot of vlogging this weekend because, as you know, it's been a bit of a rough time autism wise, but we've managed to get out for a little while now, and we're just going to do a little drive round of the site so you can just get an idea of what it's like.
Reception's on the right hand side.
Yeah, as you can see, reception. We'll go past the toilet block in a sec. Not a great amount of dog walking facilities if you have a dog.
The site's quite big though.
Although I have found a little lane. So as you can see, we have toilet block here, the usual dishwashing facilities, etc. Don't think they have a laundry in this one, but
I'm not too sure to be honest. I think it's there.
As you can see, all nice and clean. It's absolutely chock full this weekend, but it doesn't feel full, if you know what I mean.
Well, it's not as full as it was. When we turned up on Friday, it was really full. There wasn't many pictures left.
We've not had to wait for showers, etc., like we did in Cornwall.
Shower block is completely and utterly immaculate all times of the day.
But it's a very, very clean site, and if you just look to your left, you might just be able to see a little play area for the kids. Yeah, I'm going to go up and have a look at that now. Oh, just past the bin area. So, there we go.
Nice little play area for the kids.
Play area. But it's quite a big site. But like I say, it is full, very full, but it doesn't feel it.
Well, the pitches are really decent size, plenty of room.
I mean, we've got a pitch that states no awning, but I feel it's actually bigger than the pitch with awning.
We'll see our pitch in a sec.
You probably see our two dogs glaring at us through the window. Why haven't you took me? So there's our baby just there, coming into view. There she is.
I suppose I should have cleaned my windscreen first, shouldn't I?
There's my Lucci Poos looking out the window. Look at her. Safi might pop up in a second. No. But little trip round the site.
I'll just go round this last little bit.
These cones are a little awkward to reverse out of if your pitch is there, we've found, but
when someone ignores the no entry.
Oh yeah, when somebody ignores the no entry. Now last year we came when it was Storm Brian, which was interesting to say the least, and we were actually parked just on the left down here. We were nice and sheltered though, but it was very windy. We were just where this tree is here, coming into view now.
Just on the left, just past this unicorn.
I wasn't too amused that this little building here blocked my satellite view. But yeah, on a Friday and Saturday evening there's a little chippy van that pulls up there. Yeah, and there you have it. Little key fob to get in and out. Out is automatic. Yeah, it's in the glove box.
That's right then.
And that's it. There you have it. Lovely site. Like it here. Do like it here. That's it. There we go.